Hello, we are ready to do our first reading for the week. Our book for the week is called Farm Animals, Rabbits. As you hear this read along, listen for some of the vocabulary words that we introduced for today's lesson. Some rabbits live on farms. Other rabbits live in the wild. Rabbits have two long ears. These help rabbits hear very well. Rabbits have soft fur. Most rabbits have short fur. Angora rabbits have long fur. Some people make yarn from their fur. Rabbits eat plants. A rabbit's teeth can grow long. Rabbits chew on things to wear down their teeth. Most farm rabbits live in a cage called a hutch. Rabbits hop around the farmyard to get exercise. This rabbit needs to rest. He's tired. Well, that's the end of our book. Let's spend some time reviewing those vocabulary words. Our book for today again was titled Farm Animals, Rabbits. In our book today, we talked about a word called, can you sound it out for me? Fur. We learned today that fur is the soft, thick hair on the mammal. Do you see the soft, thick hair on this mammal, which is a rabbit? We also learned Angora. Angora is a kind of a rabbit with long, soft hair. As you can see from the picture, this has a real fluffy, long, thick hair. And we also learned what people use with this hair, and it's called yarn. People make yarn out of this hair, and yarn is a thread that is used for knitting or weaving. Yarn. We also learned about a word called hutch. Hutch. Here we can see the farm animals, and they live in a small cage called a hutch. Can you sound that word out for me? Hutch. I can't hear you. Hutch. Very good. Next, we learned this really big word, exercise. Exercise. And exercise is when the body is moving the body to keep it healthy. And we can see that our rabbit is doing what? Moving. By doing what? He looks like he's doing a little hopping. Very good. Yes. Well, our last word that we learned for the day is tired. Can you say that word? Tired. And we can see that after a long day, our bunny rabbit looks really tired, meaning that he needs rest or sleep. Well, that's all our words that we learned for today in our book that we're reading. I want you to spend some time practicing with the book this week.